Mostly quiet tonight, save for a couple of storms that popped up here and there. But tomorrow is going to be a little bit of a different story. So, Scott Padgett, for those who maybe missed the top of the newscast tonight, you have called a first alert weather day for tomorrow, correct?
First alert weather day for tomorrow, Doug. It's for the afternoon hours to the evening hours. And we're not alone with the threat of severe weather. Look how there's an enhanced risk all the way from Iowa, stretching all the way down here into North Texas. So this is at level 3 out of 5 levels, the enhanced risk of severe storms. You see the yellow area, which does include pretty much the remainder of North Texas, the slight risk of severe storms. What are we talking about? Well, between about 2 to 9, we see that severe threat. Metroplex about 4 to 7. The main threats, large hail, damaging winds, maybe a few tornadoes possible. So you can see on the scale here that large hail, I have it all the way up because we could see maybe some hail up to the size of a baseball. That happened in Arkansas today. They saw those tornadoes. So the tornado threat is there. The damaging wind threat also is there. So let's look at the future sky forecast. Now tomorrow we'll see the cloud cover, some spotty showers around. Here we are right around midday. Now about 2 to 3, Southwest County starting to see more of those stronger storms developing ahead of the dry line. We're going to be seeing this in the earlier afternoon hours. Typically it happens earlier in the evening when we have dry line storms. So we're going to see that then spread its way into the Metroplex 5 to 6 to 7 o'clock, then continue to make its way eastward as we go into the evening hours and then start to taper off a bit. Then we have a cold front moving in overnight, and as that moves in going into Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, another round of storms possibly by sunrise on Wednesday in the east sides of North Texas. Now what's interesting today is we take a look at the radar. You can see that there was a thin line right there. That's the dry line backing up. We tried to see some storms developing. We have some video to show you again of that. And as you take a look, you're able to see that that's what we were seeing. Watch how these towers start to go up. They start to lift a little bit more. This is a visual representation of the cap. They get to an area that they can't rise anymore, so there's that lid on the atmosphere. They can't get into that level of free convection, so they just get stopped from really growing even more for us. So let me break that down for you. We come back to the maps. What is the cap? I just showed it to you, that visual representation. As the day heats up, warm updrafts form. So you can see the temperature profile there, cooling as we normally go from the surface up. So as long as the temperatures keep falling with height, air will continue to rise. However, that thin layer of warmer air, that's the cap that we're talking about for you. So once that happens, the temperatures, the updraft hits that layer of warmer air, it's unable to continue upward, and then we don't have the storms developing. So there you go. You can now win Jeopardy if you choose to do so. You can watch it right here on CBS 11 as well. 77 degrees, Dallas-Fort Worth, south winds at 16, gusting up to 25, TXA 21 too with our shows. Temperatures mid-70s for us across parts of the Metroplex, low 70s up in Bowie for us. The 7-day forecast shows that, yes, we see these storms in the forecast tomorrow, Wednesday, conditional if we see a strong cap. Wednesday, the front moves through. We have some rain around Thursday and Friday. Still warm for us. Easter weekend near 90 on Saturday, 86 Sunday, and then Doug finally cooling back down to the mid-70s by Monday.
I see you flirting with that 89 there.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.